going on, guys? For today's video we have another live cop because shout out to you guys, you got the last video to over 20 likes. So as promised, I'm delivering you another live cop for week 11, I believe this is. Before I start, I apologize for how I look and sound. I probably look ridiculous right now, but I literally just woke up about 6 minutes ago. I basically barely made it to this drop, but we're here. I woke up, threw on the hoodie, threw on the hat, put the hood on to cover up how ugly I was looking, hurry up, busted out the camera, and now we are here. We have about 5 minutes left into the drop. I'm really pushing it with this one, but you guys got the video to 20 likes, so I'm going to be giving you guys the live cop. This week is pretty light. There's only one thing we're actually going for today, and it is the lighter case. It actually did drop in the EU, so it should actually be here. I know they said a couple of times it was supposed to drop and it never did, but this time it really should be here. So the bike is dropping this week, but honestly there's going to be no way I'm going to be able to get that, so I'm not even going to be going for it. So it is just going to be the lighter that I am going for this week. Hopefully we're going to get this W. I do want to try to get it in the black colorway. So yeah, this is going to be a pretty boring live cop, to be honest. I think we should be able to secure the lighter. I think it's going to be a walk in the park, but that is the only thing we're going for, so it might be kind of a lame live cop, but I mean, I asked for the 20 likes and you guys got the 20 likes, so I'm going to be doing the video regardless of what I'm going for. If you guys do want to see me do another live cop next week for week 12, make sure you hit that like button. If we can get this video to 20 likes as well, I will be doing another live cop for next week. Don't really know how well this video is going to do because this is a pretty light week. I don't really think a lot of people are going to be going for a lot of these things, so hopefully we can still get this video to 20 likes so I can give you guys another live cop on hopefully a better week, because in my personal opinion, none of this stuff is really for me. Some people do like it, and I'm not saying I don't like it. I'm just saying what they're dropping is not personally for me. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I drop a new video, and make sure you drop a comment down below. I have been replying to basically every single person that drops a comment, so if you want to get a reply from me, drop a comment down below and I will get back to you. Alright, so I'm shutting the screen recording right now, so we got 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, so we are live on the screen recording. Yeah, we got about a minute and 30 seconds or so to the drop. Like I said, this should be a really easy one. We're going for one thing, so I do apologize as it's not going to be a huge hefty week, but I mean, this is really the only thing I kind of want. I was thinking about maybe getting it with the with like a pack of shirts or maybe a pack of boxers or something, but maybe I'll just get the lighter. I don't really think it's gonna sell out fast, and if I take an L on the lighter, I'm gonna be freaking devastated, to be honest. I already took an L manually on the Oreos. We cannot be taking an L on this lighter, especially if we're gonna be single carding it. So just to be safe, I might just go for the lighter. And I know the lighter did come in 3 colorways, the clear, the red, and the black, but I'm personally going for the black. I do have Ashley trying to give me red as well with the multicolored keychain, because I did not realize on week 1 it came in so many colorways and I wanted multi, so I'm hopefully gonna trade up my black one for that multi if she's able to get this cart. So I will let you guys know if she was able to get it or not. Here we go. We got 10 seconds left until the drop. Let's start refreshing. I'm gonna refresh on the accessories, I guess, because you guys keep saying it, so I'll do it this time for you since it's not a crazy week. And let's go. It's 11. Refreshing on the accessories. Not seeing it. Not seeing it. Let's try new. Also not seeing. Oh, I think there we go. Yeah. Here we got the lighter. Oh, which one's black? Going for a checkout. Only gonna be like 20 bucks shipped, which is still kind of crazy, but hopefully everything's gonna go good. All right, come on. I think we're gonna be processing this. I'm thinking it's gonna be a dub. Also, I forgot to mention too, I thought it was pretty wild that they're releasing the ballpark poncho, and we just got the waterproof case. So we did get the, oh wow, okay, wrong button. So we did get the dub today. That's basically all I wanted. So let's go back to the shop, see what's going on. But yeah, like I was saying before I cut myself off there, I thought it was pretty wild. They are releasing the ballpark poncho, and it's supposed to be $4. Yeah, it is 4, and you get, oh, you get 4 for $4. I wish I would have known that. I would have just tried to do that. Dang, that's pretty crazy. Should have clicked on that. That could have saved me some shipping. We broke it up like that. But yeah, so lighter, it should have been a pretty easy cop. The bike did come out too today. Honestly, there's no way I'm gonna get the bike. Like, there was no way I was gonna get this. $2,000 roughly after tax is pretty wild for it. There was probably like 6 of these made, so there would have been no way I could have been able to get that. But looks like the red already sold out in the lighter, so that is pretty wild. Didn't think that was gonna go that fast, but still. And I'm kind of mad at myself about this. I definitely should have got the ballpark poncho. So how much is it? Oh, 8 is $32, so never mind. I was mistaken on this actually. Let me try to add. I thought it meant you got 4 for $4, so that's like, I'm tripping. I thought that meant like they were $1 each, but yeah, it looks like they're $4 each. Okay, that makes me a little less angry then with the lighter situation. But alright, looks like my lighter's still in stock. No big deal. But that is gonna do it for my live cop. Like I said, it was a pretty short one, probably the weakest live cop I've ever done. But I asked for the 20 likes and you guys got me the 20 likes, so I had to deliver the video for you guys. Again, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button. If we can get this video to 20 likes, I will be doing a live cop next week for week 12. Hopefully it's a bigger week. And again, if you haven't already, make sure you hit subscribe, hit the bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Drop a comment down below because I will be replying to everyone that leaves a comment on the video, and I will see you guys in the next video. If this live cop was a pretty weak one for you guys, I have a playlist actually now that has all my live cops in it, so you can go check all the previous live cops out. And honestly, I did forget that I had Ashley going for the lighter, so I forgot to update you guys on that. I have not actually heard back from her yet, so I don't know if she got it, but if she did, I will put that up on screen. Oh, she's actually texting me back right now. Let's see if she was able to get the dub. So it looks like she actually forgot about the drop, so she was doing something and kind of got sidetracked. So it really is no big deal. It was just the one thing that I was going for. That's gonna do it for me, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.